Your representations and certifications, or reps and certs, are a major part of your compliance on federal contracts and grants. A completed copy will be required for winning federal awards. You will be able to access these reps and certs by downloading your FAR report or FAR and DFARS report from the System for Award Management, or SAM. If you're having trouble locating your business in SAM, or you're unsure if your reps and certs reports are in compliance, you can reach out to USFCR for assistance by sending an email to info@usfcr.com. If requested from a contracting officer, here's how you locate and download your reps and certs. To begin, navigate your web browser to beta.sam.gov. Switch the All Award Data drop-down menu to Entity Information and type in either your company's legal business name, your unique entity ID, or your commercial and government entity code, also known as a CAGE code. Perform the search. Verify your company from the search results and open the listing with your company's information. Scroll down to the section marked Representations and Certifications and download the FAR report or the FAR and DFARS report based on what the government agency official has requested. Non-military agency requests require the FAR report, and military agency requests require the FAR and DFARS report. Here's a tip. The D in DFARS stands for Defense. That's why military agency requests from the Department of Defense require the DFARS report. Congratulations! You have now successfully downloaded your reps and certs. The report will be available wherever your browser directs downloads. It will remain valid until your next SAM renewal date. Download a new copy each time USFCR renews your SAM registration. USFCR provides convenient compliance in the System for Award Management and small business set-aside assistance for small businesses who qualify as veteran-owned, women-owned, 8A, and HUBZone. Contact USFCR today.